Did you know that a single glass of lemon water each morning could be the key to unlocking a healthier, more vibrant you? This simple ritual, embraced for centuries for its revitalizing properties, is more than just a refreshing drink. It's a powerful tool that can transform your health from the inside out. Imagine starting your day feeling lighter, brighter, and energized, knowing that you're nourishing your body with every sip. From boosting your immune system to enhancing your skin's natural glow, the benefits of lemon water are as diverse as they are impressive. But don't just take my word for it. Join me as we delve into the science-backed reasons why incorporating lemon water into your daily routine can be a game changer for your overall well-being. Get ready to discover how this humble beverage can unlock a world of health benefits and set you on the path to feeling your absolute best. Let's talk about digestion. We all know how important it is for our overall health, yet many of us struggle with digestive discomforts. The good news is that lemon water can be a powerful ally in promoting healthy digestion. How does it work? Lemons contain citric acid, which aids in the production of bile, a fluid that helps break down fats and other nutrients in the small intestine. This means that sipping on lemon water in the morning can help kickstart your digestive system, preparing it for the day ahead. The gentle acidity of lemon juice can also help stimulate the production of hydrochloric acid in the stomach, which is essential for breaking down food and absorbing nutrients. By supporting optimal digestion, lemon water can help reduce bloating, constipation, and other digestive issues that can weigh you down. So, if you're looking for a natural way to support your digestive health, look no further than a refreshing glass of lemon water each morning. Ready to glow from within? Lemon water isn't just beneficial for your insides, it can also work wonders for your skin. Packed with vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant, lemons help combat free radical damage that can lead to premature aging, wrinkles, and age spots. Think of vitamin C as a shield, protecting your skin cells from the harmful effects of pollution, sun exposure, and other environmental stressors. But that's not all. Vitamin C also plays a crucial role in collagen production, the protein that gives our skin its elasticity and firmness. By boosting collagen levels, lemon water can help improve skin tone, reduce the appearance of fine lines, and promote a youthful, radiant complexion. So, sip your way to healthier, more vibrant skin with a daily dose of lemon water. Section 4. Immunity Armor, Building Defenses from Within. In today's world, a strong immune system is more important than ever. Fortunately, nature provides us with simple yet potent ways to bolster our body's natural defenses, and lemon water is a prime example. As we've discussed, lemons are bursting with vitamin C, a vital nutrient that plays a key role in supporting immune function. Vitamin C helps strengthen the immune system by boosting the production of white blood cells, which are our body's first line of defense against infections. These powerful cells attack and destroy harmful invaders like bacteria, viruses, and other pathogens, helping us stay healthy and resilient. Regularly consuming lemon water can help ensure an adequate intake of vitamin C, providing your immune system with the ammunition it needs to fight off illness and keep you feeling your best year-round. Section 5. Real people, real results. Now, you might be thinking, this all sounds great, but does lemon water really make a difference in people's lives? The answer is a resounding yes. I've witnessed countless individuals experience remarkable transformations in their health and well-being simply by incorporating this simple habit into their daily routines. Take Sarah, for instance. She had been struggling with persistent digestive issues, feeling bloated and sluggish after meals. After incorporating lemon water into her morning routine, she noticed a significant improvement in her digestion, feeling lighter and more energized throughout the day. Then there's John, who was looking for a natural way to support his immune system during cold and flu season. After adding lemon water to his daily regimen, he was amazed to find that he was getting sick less often and recovering more quickly when he did. These are just a couple of examples of the real-life impact that lemon water can have on your health. It's a simple change with the potential to make a world of difference. Section 6. Your lemon water journey begins now. Are you ready to experience the transformative power of lemon water for yourself? It's incredibly easy to incorporate this health-boosting habit into your daily routine. Simply start your day with a glass of warm or room temperature water with the juice of half a lemon. You can adjust the amount of lemon juice to your liking, starting with a smaller amount and gradually increasing it as you get used to the taste. Some people also like to add a slice of fresh ginger or a dash of turmeric for an extra flavor and health boost. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to reaping the full benefits of lemon water. Make it a non-negotiable part of your morning routine, and your body will thank you. Section 7. The secret ingredient, unveiling the power of warmth. While drinking lemon water at any temperature offers benefits, there's a secret ingredient that amplifies its effects: warmth. Starting your day with a glass of warm lemon water, as opposed to cold, unlocks a range of additional advantages. Warm water in general is known to aid digestion by stimulating peristalsis, the muscle contractions that move food through the digestive tract. When combined with lemon juice, the warmth enhances the breakdown of food and absorption of nutrients, optimizing your digestive processes right from the start of your day. Additionally, warm lemon water can be particularly soothing for the stomach, especially if you're prone to digestive discomfort. The warmth helps relax the stomach muscles, reducing bloating and promoting a sense of calm within the digestive system. So, when preparing your morning lemon water, opt for warm or room temperature water to experience the full spectrum of its health-enhancing properties. Your gut will thank you.